Good morning, everybody. This is Michael at FOUCH FABS. We are, well, I guess it's afternoon now. We are at our install for today. Had to do a little work on my saw this morning. The gear and the rail that the gear ran on broke, and I had to get my saw back up and running. So we took care of that before we come out this morning, and today's Tony's birthday, so he won't be out here with us today. I got David. You guys know David. He's our fabricator, and he installs sometimes. So David and I was going to get it. So we've got a tear out install today. Very, very nice customers. I've been blessed these past couple of months with nice customers, so that always makes the job better. We do have a kind of an odd situation over here. We're getting ready to lay out the templates, and Melissa had discussed this with me, I guess right after she come to template. And I remember there were some discussions and some calls and some things like that. I'll need to touch base with her and figure out what was decided. I know she spoke with SerPro and all that stuff. So we're going to have us modify this and that. But anyways, I got so much going on and so many jobs, I can't remember exactly what the discussion was. So I will show you guys what we decided to do and how we work through it and how it turns out and all that, just like we do in every video. And then we got some drop downs over here. You guys know we run into a lot of these situations with the drop downs. Most of the time they just come straight out, which I'm assuming that's what's going on here. And we'll just go from there. If you have any questions throughout, you feel free to leave it in the comments. And if you're nice about it, I'll answer you. And if you're not, I might answer you. Just I won't be very nice. So we're going to get started. All right, guys. You've heard me talk about it before. We popped this top over here. It was screwed up through these little pieces right here. So I was able to get under there. I used a Phillips head screwdriver because my drill, just the way things were situated, wouldn't fit up in there. So I looked at this one here and it didn't have any of those wood strips, so I peeled off some of the laminate here and I still found those screws. So I tried to separate in the middle to see if it was screwed from the center. So I went ahead and pulled it up, and it's my nemesis, liquid nail. You guys know I hate it. So once we tear the tops out, now we're going to take the multi-tool and clean all the wood out because the liquid nail does not let go. So when you're messing with a piece like this, guys, it's in between two cabinets. So you want to be as careful as you can not to damage the cabinets. Now, they've already got a little cut here that was there prior, I guess, whoever installed the first time. But so when you start pulling up, you know, it's rubbing. But you just want to be as careful as you can. I pulled from the back here, try to get that separated, but I still had some of this on here, which is causing it. So what I'm going to do is just try to go ahead and separate this back part here so I can pull it out. That way, if I can pull it forward, this won't drag the whole way. And if I go up, you know, it'll drag here. So I'm going to try to break that off and then pull this whole thing forward to try to stay off the cabinets as much as I possibly can. Took my multi-tool and I just busted the laminate right there. So now I should be able to pull this out. Well, still holding a little bit. I got the phone in my hand, so now I pulled that out, so I should be able to just pull this forward now. Alright, so I've got my laser level out, just checking the cabinets. David's cleaning up some of that wood and the liquid nail over there. The cabinets don't look too bad, guys. Not too bad at all. It's amazing how some of these older homes, the cabinets are in better shape than the brand new ones. As you can see, that one over there, the laser's just a little under it, maybe an 1/8 inch, but they're fairly equal. The one on the left-hand side is a little higher than the right, but not too bad. So I was just checking to see how level it was to all the rest of the cabinets. As you can see, this one, I'm pretty much right where I need to be. And if we rock and roll around through here, not too awful bad there either. So I get a little higher toward the left hand side, but not too bad. So we can live with this, guys. So we're going to go ahead and clean up and start bringing some tops in. All right, guys. Babe, will you hold this video for me, bro? So what I'm doing here, guys, is that there's not enough clearance on this for my stone to get under. So I carry a block of wood on the truck here, just so I know how far to trim it up. Where's the mustache? Thank you. Is that my phone beeping? No. Let me go get a new blade. Alright guys, so there's no support of any kind over here in this corner. So what I think I'm gonna do, not that I supposed to or anything, but just to help the customer out, I want to see if I've got some wood and I can put in here and add a little support for the customer. So just so we're clear, you guys want me to remove these, right?
Right.
Okay. Guys, we got that piece trimmed now, and we got some wood in here. They've got a cable wire, I'm guessing that's what that is. So we're going to just make a little notch in the back corner of the stone, so that wire can just go down through it. No big deal. Put a little piece over there just for some support, and we should be good to go. Show me what you're talking about, brother.
Look at it at an angle and you see them stripes.
These things right here. Yeah, we told her we did not want that.
Oh, you didn't want that?
No.
These here? That's the ones you're talking about?
Yeah.
Those there?
Okay. All they come over, that's all we hear. Cause I told her, I said, that thing does some bad stripes. She said that's just where they put the straps on. Well, they put that there so they don't scratch each other.
Just hold on, Dave. Alright guys, so we had a little bit of door issues here. The customer asked me if I could just kind of cut a curve right here, and that's what I did. So now we open them pretty good now. Should be able to get all their stuff out. Then I don't know if I already showed you, but I basically cut a half a faucet hole back there so that their cable line could run through there. And of course, this is going to have like a door and stuff on it. All that's going to be back there hidden. Hey guys, we just set the seam up. We use these Aardwolf joint setters, and I finally figured out how to use these real well. I'm going to do the comparison video of these and the Gorilla Grip soon. But it's starting to get late. It's like 5:25 right now, so I'm going to try to get this thing knocked out and get out of here. But if I do run into anything else, I'll show you guys and let you know. Had to take this piece outside and cut about 5/16 off of the seam because I was a little big here. So I'll take it outside, cut it, and then I did a seam phantom on site. I can do a video and show you guys how to do that if you like. Just leave it in the comments. Alright guys, we're finished up. Like a lot of my videos, I about got nervous in the end and forgot to finish it and get my photos. Luckily the customer was nice enough to remind me. Everything turned out good. We had a few little modifications. We had to do this for the door. And then they got their bread garage here, which the door is going to go back on. We just run a little bit of trans-beige silicone on there, try to make it look nice. Of course, we used the trans-beige silicone on this beigey color, 50/50 undermount sink, 3-hole faucet with a sprayer, so 4 holes total. We had to do a little work on the cooktop hole. It's one of the drop-in, slide-in cooktops. They're difficult. If y'all have messed with them, you know. We set it in there and the customer's going ahead and wiring it up so they can cook on it. We've actually been here a while and it's got kind of late. They said it's okay, but I hate keeping people up this late. But anyway, it turned out to be a great job all the way around. Just took a little bit of work. They can't all be lick and stick. That's just nature of it. And guys, I appreciate y'all watching, and I'll see you on the next one. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'm trying not to put the customers in the video. They didn't ask to be on YouTube, but trying to show y'all the tops as well. So have a good night, guys.